In this video, we will go over the contact tag workflow trigger. So this will trigger the workflow anytime a tag is added or removed from a contact, and you can further customize it by selecting which tag was added or removed if you'd like. So to get started, we'll click on Add New Workflow Trigger, and we're going to go ahead and do Contact Tag. Here you can change the name of the workflow if you'd like. So if you want to do like contact removed, contact added, and then add the name of the tag even, you can customize that there. And then if you would like to add filters, you can click on Add Filters. And then from the drop down, you can select either tag added or tag removed. So if we select tag added, you can select a tag from this drop down here. And note that you do need to select a tag. So select your tag from the drop down there, and then anytime a contact tag was added with that specific tag, then this workflow will be triggered. You can also select tag removed here, and then you can also select a tag from this drop down here. So once you have that configured and ready to go ahead and click on the Save Trigger button down here at the bottom. And then you'll see your workflow trigger added to your workflow. And then just make sure that you click on the blue Save button up here in the top right corner to save your workflow.